what I've been doing for 2 days. Oops, that was a bad one. Hold on. I have mealworms. This is my little friend. My little friend ran into somebody's car door. She, I believe, is a she. Her leg is shattered. I don't think she'll ever be able to walk on it. I'm not sure about one of her wings. If it's broke or just stunned. She was knocked out for hours. But she responds to my voice. She hears me inside the house and starts to squawk. And that's when I know she's hungry. Pretty cool. This is what I'm about. What are you about?